5 foods that are super healthy for your liver. Diet plays an important role in keeping the liver healthy. Many foods contain compounds that help improve the liver enzymes. Here are a few of them. Grapes. Green and purple grapes both contain resveratrol, which helps maintain liver and overall health. Oatmeals. Oatmeals are rich in fiber and beta-glucans, which improve liver health. Garlic. Anti-inflammatory properties present in garlic help in reducing fat stored in the liver and improve the liver health. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli and cabbage are rich in fiber and release healthy enzymes that reduce oxidative stress and keep the liver healthy. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice improves heart and liver health as it is an excellent source of betalain and nitrate, which helps in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. That's all for today. So if you want to watch more such videos, please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.